Get around him, keep moving. Steady now, head him to the gate. Okay, bring it left, slowly.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.
Get around him, keep moving. Steady now, head him to the gate.
Hold him steady. Easy now, keep back. Good.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.
Keep coming back slowly. All right, I got it. Watch the pallet.
Here's the next one. Stack it right here. Dale, Dale, Dale. Okay, it's set.
We're clear for the meat section. All right, slide it in right here. Looks good.
Okay, bring it left, slowly.
Got it. Locking it now.
my video, please subscribe to my channel. We need 3 more for this box.
Okay, I have them right here.
Watch the conveyor, it's speeding up.
Bring it straight down to bay 3. Watch the pallet on the left. Copy that. Almost there.
Flow rate seems consistent. Yeah, pressure's holding steady. Quality looks good.
The coating is flawless on this batch. Agreed, the laser application is perfect.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.
The polymerization rate is holding steady at 98%.
Excellent. We can increase throughput on the next batch.
Check this lapel seam here.
Ah, yes, just a loose thread. Looks perfect now.